Hello everyone. This video demonstrates an unusual, well-elastic, openwork knit with a waffle effect. The pattern consists of 3 stitches and 2 rows. To start, cast on a multiple of 3 loops plus 1 for symmetry, 2 edge stitches, and then you can begin. The first row is on the right side. After the edge loop, we work with loops in groups of 3. Purl the first loop, knit the second through the back, and without dropping the second from the left hook, knit the second and the third together through the back. Again, purl 1, knit 1 through the back, and knit 2 together through the back. Purl 1, knit 1 through the back, and knit 2 together through the back. The second row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, knit 1, make a yarn over loop, and knit 2 together through the back. Again, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 2 together. This openwork knit is perfect for summer clothing because it is airy and meshy. I hope this information has been helpful and you'll find this knitting technique useful in future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.